Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, in the blue color device. And look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. Made of plastic, on the back side triple camera and LED, on the front side 6.7 inch, almost 6.7 inch, 6.67. On this side power key and warm keys, power key and warm buttons. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Okay, turn on device. We have Full HD Plus resolution display, AMOLED Full HD, 120 Hz. Okay, and look at the benchmark results. We have Snapdragon 685 octa-core processor and Adreno 610 GPU. Good results. And run GTA San Andreas. Okay, run GTA San Andreas again. Okay, GTA San Andreas doesn't work on the device. Close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.